It is December 2nd, 1805. You have not slept. 60,000 enemy soldiers are camped 1 mile away. Your generals are nervous. They want to retreat. You have spent 3 weeks planning something they cannot see yet. The Allied army has 85,000 men. You have 67,000. On paper, you should lose. You are not concerned. You walk through the camp before dawn. Every soldier who sees you stands taller. That is what you have built. Dawn is coming. You mount your horse. In 2 hours, this battle will decide the fate of Europe. Behind you, 67,000 French soldiers stand ready. They are waiting for one word: yours. You watch through your telescope. The Allied army is moving south, exactly as you predicted. The trap is working. They think your right flank is weak. You made it look weak on purpose. Now they have abandoned the high ground. You turn to your marshal. One order: take the heights. Do it now, before they realize their mistake. You turn to your marshal. One order: take the heights. Do it now, before they realize their mistake. French soldiers reach the summit in 20 minutes. The sun breaks through the clouds at exactly that moment. You will remember this forever. You control the center now. The Allied army is split in 2. They are beginning to understand they have lost. The Allied center collapses within the hour. 30,000 men running in every direction. Nobody is giving them orders anymore. Thousands of Allied soldiers flee across the frozen Sachan Pond. Your artillery fires onto the ice. It begins to crack beneath them. You feel no excitement, no relief, just calculation. Where is the Russian Imperial Guard? That is the only threat remaining now. The Russian Imperial Guard advances. Elite soldiers, unbroken. You send your cavalry directly into their flank without hesitation. The Guard breaks. For the first time today, an unbroken formation collapses. The last resistance on this battlefield is finished. By 2 in the afternoon, it is over. The Allied army of 85,000 men has ceased to exist as a fighting force. You walk the battlefield alone after the fighting stops. 36,000 men died here today. You feel the weight of every single one. The Austrian imperial standard lies in the mud at your feet. 3 empires sent their best armies against you today. All 3 failed. A messenger arrives. Emperor Francis of Austria requests a meeting. He wants to negotiate. You already knew he would send this message. You meet Emperor Francis in an open field. He stands. You sit. He lost 35,000 men today. The terms will be yours entirely. You ride back through your army at dusk. 67,000 men cheering your name. 2 empires defeated in 1 single day. That night, while your army celebrates, you sit alone and write. There are more battles coming. There are always more battles coming. The morning after, you stand on the heights you took yesterday. Everything below you was impossible 24 hours ago. Not anymore. 2 weeks later, Austria signs the Treaty of Pressburg. They surrender territory. They pay an enormous fine. They ask nothing in return. After Austerlitz, you control more of Europe than any ruler since Charlemagne. You are 36 years old. You are just getting started. Paris erupts when you return. The city has never seen a victory like this. Nobody in living memory has seen a victory like this. Paris erupts when you return. The city has never seen a victory like this. Nobody alive has seen anything like this. But your eyes keep drifting east, toward the one empire you have not broken yet, toward Russia. That is where this story ends.